Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Pierce with Tuesday's Foundation lesson. We have Kona back with us visiting, and you are going to learn 2 new trick words. So your sentence is, Mr. and Mrs. Wilson are here. So repeat that to yourself. Mr. and Mrs. Wilson are here. Say it again. So now Kona is going to help us put the sentence frames onto the board. And our 2 trick words, we have one here and we have one here. So Kona, do you think they can figure out what the 2 trick words might be? Let's see. Let's help them with the sentence again, Kona. Mr. and Mrs. Wilson are here. So your 2 new trick words are Mr. and Mrs. And both of them, no matter where they are in a sentence, need to begin with an uppercase. So I'm going to put Mr. on the first line with an uppercase M and a lowercase r. And then you put a period after it, because this is an abbreviation for the word Mr. So Mr. and, all in lowercase. Now Mrs., you need an uppercase M, lowercase r, so it has Mr. in it, and then a lowercase s with a period. Mr. and Mrs. Wilson, since Wilson is their last name, it needs to begin with an uppercase. So it's an uppercase W. Wilson. Now the next word was an old trick word, R. How many of you can remember spelling that? 3 letters. A, R, E. And then here, I believe that's a trick word as well. Here, like come over here. This is not the word for meaning I hear you talking. This is come over here. So Mr. and Mrs. Wilson are here. These are your 2 new trick words. So what I want you to do after this video is click on Add Response, and I want you to write or type a sentence using Mr. and Mrs. And please make sure they begin with an uppercase. And if you're putting them with a last name like Mrs. Pierce, please make sure the last name begins with an uppercase as well. Kona says, have a great Tuesday, everybody.